We'll guide you through how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So at the moment, you can go and see I've got a professional account on Instagram that can be a business or creator account. While this can be useful as you unlock more features, it can also go and mean some features are missing which you can go and get on a personal account. For example, if you've got a professional, which is a business or creator account, you can't go and make your account private, which means everybody can go and see all your posts, your following, your followers, and you may want to go and limit that. Also, there are some other things which you may find that you aren't quite happy with, which is why you want to go and switch it back to a personal account. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is to get started is you need to come onto your profile. So to do that, press your icon in the bottom right, or it can just be a user icon. Then you need to go and open up settings and privacy by pressing the three lines in the top left. And here we are, settings and activity. Next, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find this section for professionals and you need to find account type and tools. If you struggle to find this, you can always come to the top and press search and type in account type like this, and you can then press account type and tools. Then what you need to do is at the top, it'll go and say account type and you need to find the option for professional. You'll see here at the top, it says professional public. But if you see this small, it says switch account type. So you can tap that there and then we get this pop up. And what I can do is go down and we can press switch to personal account. So it then says when you switch, you will lose access to app insights, insights from your content, and you're also going to lose access to the Meta business tools as well, and the business suite and ads manager. If you're sure though, you can go and press switch to personal account like so. Now go and wait, it's going to circle and load. When it's finished, you'll know because you get taken back to your main settings. So keep waiting. As you can see, it then says switch to personal account, and that's it. We can then come out of here and we're now back to a personal account. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.